In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can sell a stock on NCB Capital Markets. Now you can use the website or you can download the NCB Capital Markets mobile app, which is what we'll be using in this tutorial. Now once you download the app and log in with your NCB credentials, select menu. Under place order, you're going to select sell. Then you're going to choose the investment account that you want to sell the stock from. Select the product which you would like to sell, whether it be a stock or a unit trust, right? A list of stocks that is in your portfolio will be shown, so select the one of your choice and then select next. Now at the top of the screen, you'll see queue. You can select queue to see where other users are buying and the other users are selling. So you can see that a user is, so here you can see that another investor is selling for $21.30. And let's see what the buy queue is saying. An investor is willing to pay $21.29 for a share. So let's step back. Now select your transaction method, whether it be a dollar value or shares. Say if you only want to sell $50 worth of stocks, then you specify $50. Or if you want to sell by shares, you select units and specify the number of shares that you want to sell. You can sell all or select a set amount. So I'm just going to go back and select dollar value. Now you need to choose your transaction type. You can choose between a market price or a limit order. So a limit order is when you anticipate that price is going to say $23 and you set a limit for 23. Now market price is you sell it at the next available price where the buyers are buying. So whatever the stock is trading at when you execute that trade, that's what it will be sold for. So I'm just going to select market price. So here they give me a notice. Please note that this is the current prevailing price at which your order will be filled, $22.29. So I'm going to select OK. And then from here you can proceed to select next to complete the transaction. However, at this point I do not want to sell any stocks. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.